my Shuggies, Ashley here, and in today's video I'm going to do a quick, easy, and simple 5-minute makeup look for all of my ladies out there who are busy in school, working, moms, whatever it is that you're doing on the go. I'm going to show you how to get this makeup look right here in a short amount of time. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. And the first thing I'm going to do is go over my skincare that I use and my primer. So for skincare, they happen to be both Drunk Elephant. The first is the C Firma Day Serum, which is a vitamin C serum, which is supposed to brighten your face with some acids and vitamin C to give you a complexion that's beautiful, revealing brighter, firmer, and more even looking complexion. It's amazing. I've been using it for the past, I'd say 2 to 3 weeks, and I feel like I do see a difference. In addition to that, the big game changer to me is the also Drunk Elephant Peptide Cream. And this is basically a moisturizer with peptides in it, and I don't know what is in it, but it makes my skin feel soft and it makes it feel healthy, and I don't feel like the texture is the same. I feel like it's a lot smoother and softer. Even for 2 days, if I'm not using this, I'm telling you, I can tell a difference in the way my skin feels. I use this morning and night, and then this I just use in the morning. So I've completed my skincare, and then to prime my face, I'm using the same as I always do, my Kane & Austin mattifying primer, because it's smoothing, it's got a little bit of a tint to it, and it has the SPF, which I think is the most important piece. You want to avoid the wrinkles. So with the skincare and the primer with this SPF, we have a good base set. So moving on into the makeup. So for whatever your reason, whatever your occupation, whatever the circumstance may be, this is a quick, simple, easy, effortless look that's going to make you look less tired and more beautiful and seamless, but also not take a lot of time. So now that we have prepped our face, right on cue. Right on cue, Rally Racer's back. Oh, he's leaving. Maybe he's going to the grocery store. So for foundation, I think options are good. You want it to be simple and easy. Again, so for that reason alone, I'm gonna say stick foundation. You don't really have to mess with a lot of stuff. Worst case scenario, you use your fingers if you're in the car and on the go, which you shouldn't be doing, but if you are. So for the high end, I have the Hourglass Stick Foundation. I love this. It's seamless. It effortlessly glides onto the skin and blends into the skin, and I use the color Sand. So that's your high end. Your drugstore end, I'm gonna say the Colourpop No Filter Stick Foundation, and I use this in the color Medium 90W. Again, great, super easy, super simple. A few lines onto the face, down the nose, wherever you feel you need coverage, and you can either use a brush or a beauty blender. Again, if we're going for effortless and easy, I would say a brush, because if you're in the car, if you're on the go, you don't want to have to worry about, oh, did I wet my, no, we're just simple and easy. We have our foundation on our skin. We're gonna do a little dollop of not Daisy, but the L'Oreal True Glotion. And again, this is just going to make it look super luminous, super light, and also help to blend everything out, because we don't want to be spending all of our time blending away on our face. I'm going to use my Real Techniques 302 blending brush, and I'm just going to go in circular motions around the face and blend everything. How is that? Did you just see that? How is that even possible? I guess I was blending a little too hard. So I'm going to blend everything together. This foundation is good coverage. I'd say it's a medium to full coverage. I consider a medium to full if I can put the foundation on my face and probably get away with not using concealer. That's how you know something's going to be a medium to full coverage. If it's a full, then I can put it on my face and definitely get away with not using concealer. As you can see, it's like a and if you feel like you're getting brush strokes, or you feel like you're not sure how to blend it in, just dab. dab, and using the glotion mixed with the stick foundation will help it just press right into the skin. So it's really foolproof. Now your neck, you definitely want to drag it down and blend out any edges around your face. So see how easy that is? Now we have a nice, clean, even canvas. Next, for our concealer, again, we're on the go, we're in a hurry, we really don't have time. Something simple and easy is the Smashbox color correcting stick. Now I know this is a color correcting stick, but honestly, this can definitely be used as a concealer. And we don't need any serious full face coverage. We just want enough to cover the lack of sleep that people don't know that we've had. You get what I'm saying? So again, because this is in the stick formula, it makes it super, super easy. So we're dabbing that under our eyes. You can use the same brush if you want to, if you're in a hurry. If not, grab a small, fluffy brush, and we're just gonna pat this into the skin. Now this you don't wanna drag because under the eyes are delicate and we wanna get maximum coverage from a stick. So we're just going to dab underneath the eye. And see how it just gave us a little bit of a brightening effect. Helped us cover those dark circles. So we're dabbing into the eye. Simple, easy, nothing crazy. And that's it, okay? Moving on, I'm going to use a luminous powder to set and highlight our face. So it's a 2-in-1, and this is my favorite. As far as a drugstore, I personally have not found a drugstore setting powder that's got a luminous finish. For me, it's gonna have to be high-end, and this is in the color Luminous Light. So taking a powder brush, again, something fluffy that we can swirl and just dab right into the skin. So we've set the face so it's not going to move and crease, and we've also given ourselves a nice luminous finish so we look alive and bright and glowy, like we're not dead and running on 3 hours of sleep, like some people. Okay, so that's finished. So we have a nice base, except for these brows. This is what happens when I do my makeup quickly. My brows are just, you know, going their own way. If you do want to give your cheeks a little flush of color, drugstore best ever. This is the L'Oreal Paradise blush in the color Charming. So again, with our fluffy brushes are going to give us a light finish. So think fluffy, and we're just 1-2 dab, nothing crazy. We don't want anything heavy, and we're just gonna start right here, and we're going to dab our way down. If you wanna dab up, give yourself a little color up top, and then maybe go over the eye since we're not doing eyeshadow. Same thing on the other side. We're just dabbing over the eye, giving it a little bit of color, and we're moving on our merry way. Brows. You know I love a good brow, but sometimes your girl's in a hurry. The NYX Brow Precise Pencil or the Maybelline Tattoo Studio has a nice little gel formula that's kind of like a brow gel and a coverage in one. This is going to be a straight pencil. You know, we're gonna have to brush them out, you know, color them in. So this is gonna be a little bit more time consuming. If you're in a rush, again, gels and liquids, creams, all of those things are gonna be quicker and easier. This is just a little brush. We're going to follow the outline the same as if we were to set our brows, okay? We're just going to go over the same shape of our brow. Same thing on the other side. We're just going to comb through the brow hairs. And what this is doing is putting a product on there that's going to not only set the brows so they don't move like a setting gel, but it's also going to tint and fill them. So again, we're eliminating steps that we have to do and streamlining the process. You want to take a brush and just spread the product out. And again, what I love about this is it's got the setting already in here. So we don't need to use something separate to set them. They're going to dry just like this. So easy peasy. So for our last 2 steps, it's mascara and lip. And of course, if you're in a hurry, you don't want to be throwing on lipstick and liner and liquid lip. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? Sweet Brown said it best. Ain't nobody got time for that. So, baby lips, this comes in different tints, colors. I get the clear because I'm basic. Throw that on. We've got a little bit of moisture. And then for our eyes, our Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara from L'Oreal is amazing. And it's a 1-2 punch. It's just a little bit of blinking and it's gonna give you the volume and separation that you need. Look at that, nothing crazy. Where did that take? All of 3 seconds. So again, just a little bit of blinking, dragging up, separating out the lashes. That's it. On these days, I'm not even gonna try to go down here because this could turn into World War III and I don't have Q-tips. I'm probably steering with my knees. You know, I'm on the go. I don't have time to be cleaning up a mascara mess. So I'm gonna leave it to the top lashes and be done with it. So that's it for the 5-minute makeup look. It's simple, it's easy, and I promise everybody can do it. So that completes this video, you guys, on a 5-minute makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and find me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.